for tuning in, and welcome back to another Saturday morning stretch. Before we start, just a quick reminder that if you like what you see and are interested in learning how to effectively stretch your muscles, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the stretching videos. Also, if you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section and we'll either respond to you directly in the comment section or answer your questions during our weekly Sunday Q&A. Alright, time to demonstrate the stretch.
The stretch we will be demonstrating for you today will be the myofascial stretch for the supinator. Start by sitting on the back of your heels, keeping your spine lengthened. Flex the shoulder of the side being stretched to 90 degrees. Flex the elbow of the side being stretched to 90 degrees. With the hand of the side that is not being stretched, grab the hand of the side you are stretching and maximally flex the wrists, maximally pronate the forearm, and bring the wrist into as much radial deviation as possible. Finally, achieve as much axial extension as possible by tucking in your chin and pushing the crown of your head toward the ceiling. Once you are in this final position, hold it for 30 seconds to 1 minute without losing any of the above-mentioned components before switching sides. If the stretch begins to feel easy, you've most likely lost one or more of the components of the stretch. When you first perform this stretch, do it in front of a mirror or film yourself performing the stretch so you can watch yourself back and make any corrections if needed. Perform 3 sets of the stretch on each side.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked what you saw, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the stretching videos. And if you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section and we'll either respond to you directly in the comment section or answer your questions during our weekly Sunday Q&A. Keep fit, have fun, and we'll see you again next week.